deal the cards to find the sacred geometry of chance, the hidden law behind a smile, behind a glance. But those I play are not the ones I really am. A solitary man who wears 1,000 masks. The coffee's getting cold beside an empty chair, where conversations echo in the silent air. I'm not a gambling man, though I play the game of hearts and minds where nothing's ever quite the same. If I told you that I loved you, would you believe the words I say? Or would you see them as another card I play? The truth lives in the shadow between the night and day, like teardrops mixing with the rain. I know that spades are swords of soldiers in the dark, and clubs are weapons drawn from some forgotten war. But that's not the shape of my heart. No, that's not the shape of my heart. I walk these streets like pages in a book unread, with stories written in the lines upon my head. The strangers that I pass don't know the man inside, who's running from the ghosts he cannot hide. If I told you that I loved you, would you believe the words I say? Or would you see them as another card I play? The truth lives in the shadows between the night and day, like teardrops mixing with the rain. And if I told you that I'm broken, would you try to make me whole, or leave me drowning in this solitary soul? The silence speaks in volumes that I've never learned to read, but in your eyes I see what I need. So if I tell you that I love you, please believe the words I say. This is not another card I play. My heart lives in the shadows, but it's reaching for the day when tears become the healing rain. I may think that I'm the king, but I'm just a fool who sings about the shape of my heart, the lonely shape of my heart.